Watch this video to the end to find out how you can easily migrate to one of the most beautiful countries in Europe. You do not need to have English language proficiency tests. There is no age limit. There is no proof of fund. The total cost of applying for this country's work permit is only €75. Compare that to the United Kingdom, where you will be paying more than £1,700. You will be saving money significantly if you were to move to this country. You can move to this country as a skilled or unskilled workers. At the end of the video, I will leave links in the description section where you can start looking for a job. The country that we're talking about today is Croatia. On the 1st of January 2023, Croatia joined the European Union. Since then, its economy has been booming. They have been facing severe labor shortage, which is one of the reasons they have made it easier for companies in Croatia to recruit workers from abroad. Now, in case you are unsure of where Croatia is, Croatia has borders with Hungary, Slovenia, Italy, and Bosnia and Herzegovina. Its population is less than 4 million people, which is one of the reasons they are struggling to fill job vacancies. And the competition to move to this country is very, very low compared to the United Kingdom, where the competition is very high. The cost of living in this country is very low, which means at the end of the month, you will have more money put in your pocket. And also, this country is stable, is peaceful, and it's a country with advanced infrastructure. So your children, if you have children, if you move to this country with your children, will be able to access qualitative education and healthcare. So these are some of the reasons you should consider moving to this country. And in addition to what I said before, you will be able to travel around Europe to countries such as Belgium, Hungary, France, Germany, Spain, Portugal, etc. if you were to move to this country. How do you move to this country will be your next question. In order to move to this country, I'm going to explain the two pathways that you can use to move to this country. The first one is what they call the seasonal workers visa. You need to find a job in the seasonal sectors such as farming, hospitality, and other sectors within the seasonal sector. Once you find a job from a company that is based in Croatia, your employer will send you an offer of employment. He or she will also give an undertaking that they will not be paying you anything less than what they normally pay Croatians. And they will also give a commitment that they will provide you a separate accommodation, which means that if you're a male or female, you will live separately. Once this condition is met and you have your offer of employment, you will then take it to the embassy. But before you do that, you need to make sure that you have a police clearance, which states that you are not a wanted person in your home country. You also need to have health insurance. And lastly, you need to have a valid international passport. Once you have those four things, that is with your offer of employment, you will then go to the Croatian embassy close to your home country. If Croatia doesn't have an embassy in your home country, don't worry. One of the EU countries will issue their visa. Okay? So you submit the visa. The visa normally takes less than 60 days to get. In most cases, you will get it within 3 weeks. Once you have the visa is a short-term stay that allows you to go to the country and you collect your work permit from a police station. Once you collect your work permit, you'll be able to start work immediately. Now, the work permit for the seasonal sector is initially valid for 6 months, and after 6 months, you will be able to renew it. The difference is that you will have to stay with your employer if you are there, and if you live there, you will be able to renew it every 6 months as long as you have a job. That's the first option. The second option means that you have to have a degree, and you also have to have a minimum of 5 years work experience. Once you have that, you find a job in Croatia. The employer will still do the same thing by sending you an offer of employment. You take it to the embassy with the other document that I mentioned. You apply. The only difference is that, unlike the seasonal workers visa, which is only valid for 6 months, this one is valid for 1 year, and you will be able to renew it 60 days before it expires. Okay, and once you have lived in the country for 5 years, you will be able to apply for permanent resident and subsequently citizenship. So those are the two options that you can use to go to this country. Now the question is, how do you find a job in Croatia? Because the only thing that is keeping you away from Croatia right now is a job offer. Once you land a job offer, you are good to go. So one of the best places to start looking for a job in Croatia is LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor. Facebook is very, very popular in Croatia. Okay, you can use sites such as, they've got Facebook Expat and they've got Facebook Nomad. Okay, so once you check the Facebook Expat and the different professions, that is one of the places you can start. And also, if you are an IT professional, you want to work in a farm, look at target companies in the sector that you want to work in. If you are a medical professional, target companies in that area. Apply directly to them, go to their website, just Google, if you're a pharmacist, just Google pharmaceutical job in Croatia. All the pharmaceutical job will come up. You go on their website, you start applying directly, go on their career page, you apply directly. Make sure you have a CV that is well constructed, done according to the European standard. If you're seeing my video for the first time, my name is Francis. I do video to help people to legally migrate abroad without needing to spend money on lawyers or agents. It is in your best interest to consider subscribing to Launch Club Media, because there is no immigrant that has successfully migrated abroad that having access to credible information and being able to use it on time. That is the difference between those that get to their destination and those that don't get to. So if you want to get to your destination on time, you need to have access to information that is credible and reliable. We do not charge to provide this information. It's completely free, provided by myself and a team of experts, and the information we are providing you has been rigorously researched. The only thing that we charge for is our one-to-one consultation, and there is no obligation at all for you to use it. The information that I provided you now is enough for you to start your journey. And any comment that you leave in the comment section, I will always endeavor to respond to all the comments. So consider subscribing to Launch Club Media. Follow us on all our social media platforms. If you haven't started following us, make sure you hit the notification bell. Our mission is to help as many people as possible to legally migrate abroad without you needing to spend money on lawyers and agents. So I want to quickly summarize what I said before. So Croatia, the only thing that is keeping you away from Croatia now is a job offer from your home country. Once you have a job offer either in the seasonal sector or the non-seasonal sector, you will be able to move to this country within less than 60 days. Make sure you have your valid passport, the police clearance, and your health insurance. That is all you need to know. I will leave link in the description section for you to start looking for a job. As I said, start with LinkedIn, Facebook, Glassdoor, and Indeed, and also go to the company's website directly. I hope you have found value for this video. Consider subscribing to Launch Club Media. We want to help people like you to get to where you want to be without needing to spend money on lawyers or agents. Please share this video with your contact, share the video with your friends and family. There is love in sharing. We want to help as many people as possible. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. May God bless you. May God grant you all your heart desires. Thank you.